Hello and welcome back to the Wedding School. Now with summer just around the corner, I thought I would share with you my top tips that I share with all my couples if they're planning a summer wedding. So number one, this is for the men. Always have two shirts. One for the ceremony, one for the reception. If it's a hot day, you are going to sweat, and there's nothing better than to turn up to the reception and put on a crisp, clean, dry shirt. Tip number two. Now ladies, this is for you. This is a tip that one of my stylists, Joe Twidale, always tells me. And if you're going to wear your hair down for the ceremony and the reception, it's really good to get some clip-in extensions. They'll really hold your curls, hold your hair in place for the entire day and evening. Tip number three, this is about the ceremony order of service booklets. So why don't you change it up and go for a fan-shaped order of service. So therefore your guests are keeping up with what's happening through the ceremony, but also keeping cool. And number four is water. So having a water station at your ceremony and also your reception is a great idea. Your guests are going to be hot, they're going to be dehydrated, and to have that water on tap all the way through the day is essential for keeping them hydrated. My last but definitely not least is shoes. So unfortunately we all know in summer that our feet seems to expand a little bit, so I would suggest definitely having a spare pair of shoes back at the reception, comfy, maybe a little bit bigger, that you can change into after your ceremony. So that's it for me. That's my summer tips, and yeah, I hope that you can beat the heat with those and enjoy your wedding day.